The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. In ancient times it was also known to the Greeks as the Erythraean Sea, which later became known as the Indian Ocean. In today's episode of Amaze World, we will tell you about the rough Indian Ocean. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, and thank you so much for doing so. The Indian Ocean covers about 20% of the world's water. The total area of the Indian Ocean is about 73,427,000 square kilometers. The three major seas of the Indian Ocean are the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Andaman Sea. It is bordered by the Indian subcontinent and Iran to the north, the Arabian Peninsula and Africa to the west. It is bounded on the east by the Malay Peninsula, on the Indonesian island of Sunda and Australia, and the south by Antarctica. The Indian Ocean is thought to have been formed during the Mesozoic and Cenozoic epochs when Gondwanaland began to disintegrate. At present, however, the continental terrain of the Indian Ocean is narrow. Located south of the Indonesian island of Java, the Java Strait is said to be the deepest region in the Indian Ocean, with a depth of about 7,725 meters. Many of the world's most famous and large rivers flow into this ocean. The confluence of the Zambezi, Tigris, and Euphrates rivers, the Shat-el-Arab, the Indus, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, and the Irrawaddy. The ancient Indians called it the Indus Ocean or the Great Sea of the Indus. The Indian Ocean was formerly known as the Eastern Ocean, a term used in the mid-18th century. The Indian Ocean has a mid-ocean ridge extending up to 3,048 meters called the Central Indian Ridge. The two largest islands in the Indian Ocean, Madagascar and Sri Lanka, are geographically part of the continent. The islands of Lakshadweep, Maldives, Chagos, etc., rising from the center of the Indian Ocean ridge, have now become coral islands. The Indian Ocean islands extend from Sicily to Mauritius Point to the westward extension of the Indian Ridge. The Andaman Islands, Nicobar Islands, Sicily, and the Kerguelen Islands are the exposed parts of the submerged cliffs. Mauritius and St. Paul's Island are caused by two volcanic eruptions. There is also the presence of coral reefs in the tropics. There are two types of water currents in the Indian Ocean. One is a continuous southward flow, and the other is a seasonal windward-northward flow. The surface currents in the northern part of the ocean change with the change of monsoon winds. Southwest monsoon winds carry large amounts of water vapor from the Indian Ocean, causing heavy rainfall over the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The average surface temperature of water in the Indian Ocean varies in different parts of the ocean. It is located approximately 2 degrees Celsius in the far south near the Kerguelen Islands and 30 degrees Celsius in the Red Sea Persian Gulf. However, its average temperature is higher than any other ocean. The warming also makes it difficult for plankton and other plants to survive. The amount of oxygen in the waters of the Indian Ocean is also relatively low compared to other oceans. Interestingly, in the southernmost part of the Indian Ocean, icebergs from Antarctica are present throughout the year. The average salinity of water in the Indian Ocean also varies from place to place. Due to heavy rainfall during the monsoon season and heavy flow of freshwater from the rivers, salinity in all parts of the Bay of Bengal is reduced to 34 pm. Mangrove forests cover a wide area of the tropical coast of the ocean, of which the Sundarban is significant. Indian Ocean is one of the most important seaports in the world. The famous ports are located in cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chittagong, Colombo, Durban, Richard Bay, Jakarta, Melbourne, etc. The sea lanes of the Indian Ocean are considered to be the most strategically important in the world. More than 80% of the world's oil trade is completed through the Indian Ocean and its vital choke points. About 40% of the oil is transported through the Strait of Hormuz, 35% through the Malacca Strait, and 8% through the Bab-Mandab Strait. Thousands of ships sail through this bay every day. This sea route has made the import and export of the country easier. Today's episode of the Indian Ocean ends here. Please let us know our opinion about today's episode in the comment box, and if you like it, don't forget to like and share. God bless you.